This is the hood release on the back side of it. The cable snaps down in there, and then this cable goes in here underneath that clip. You got to bend the clip back down. That's how that goes. Clean this up and paint it too. And then on the other side there's these two bolts that hold that piece on. I'll probably take that apart and paint this bottom piece blue and then the rest of this black, or the other way around. Haven't decided yet. It's going to have to be cleaned real good, and then I get some white lithium grease and spray in there after I paint it. That's that.